So today we have a new SanDisk Ultra micro SD card. Now this is a class 10 micro SD card, meaning it supports full HD video. And as you can tell, it comes with an adapter as well as the 128 gigabyte micro SD card. This is the front, this is the back. Little explanation there of everything. Open it up. And comes in nice little casing here, and then you can peel this back. Here's our little adapter. So this is a SanDisk adapter. Of course, the micro SD card can slide right here in the bottom, and then this fits a full-size SD card. But what most people are going to need is this little thing, the SanDisk Ultra 128 gigabyte micro SD card. It'll work with phones, it'll work with cameras, it'll work with drones, it'll work with GoPros, it'll work with everything that's 1080p, and it'll hold 128 gigabytes of memory. And if you don't have a reader for this on your computer, you can just slide it right into here, and then it fits a standard SD card slot. That's what that's for. So that'll do it for this one. SanDisk did not send it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.